Hello my friends, want to stay available in Outlook all day without going idle or appearing offline? In this quick guide, we will tell you how to keep your Outlook status green. So firstly, let us talk about it. Outlook syncs with Microsoft Teams or Skype for Business to show your status. If you're idle on your PC, it changes to away after 5 to 10 minutes. So in order to prevent this behavior, go to Settings, System, Power and Battery on Windows. Alright, so let's type in power and sleep. And as you can see guys, you just need to set it, your system and your computer to sleep to never. As you can see, mine is also set to never. After that, guys, you can also use a mouse jiggler that simulates activity if you're not willing to do this. Also free tools like Move Mouse or Caffeine are safe and effective. If Outlook is synced with Microsoft Teams, your status is based on Teams activity. So, open your Teams and stay logged in, periodically click or type to show activity, or use apps like Power Automate to run scheduled actions. And that's how you stay green in Outlook. If this helps, give it a like, subscribe for more smart work from home tips, and check the description. Stay productive and stay online.